We're in Mays Landing today, running a 1951 Evinrude Fastwin 14, nicknamed the Slow Twin. It's based on the Gale 12, the wedge block, I think they called it. It's basically like a cement block, a little crude. Very strange port timing on it, and I think it's neat because it's a stepping stone engine. It's got full shift on it, forward, neutral, reverse. And it's got a partially integrated throttle. Timing advances here like the older ones, and the throttle plate is controlled by this right here. It's got a cable on it. It feels kind of weird, but it works. But let's go for a ride. I did some powerhead work to it and some prop work, and I've got it running up at about 4750 RPMs at 25 miles an hour. I was able to get 5 more miles an hour out of it since it was completely stock. So let's see what it does. I'm going to put the phone down to start it. Alright, so you can see it's a handful to operate, especially when you're trying to hold a phone. But it goes pretty good, runs well. Not as good as their newer models, but we gave it a chance and it's operational. I believe we've got up to 4,800 that time. It's running pretty good, so I think I'm going to stick with this setup.